Ready to join the Dogecoin community and send your portfolio to the moon? This video is your express ticket to buying Dogecoin on Kraken from your desktop, so let's dive right in. First, head over to Kraken.com and click on the Create Account button. Usually located in the upper right corner, you'll need to enter your email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence after that. Check your email for a confirmation link from Kraken to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you'll need to complete the verification process. Kraken has different verification levels, and each unlocks higher deposit and withdrawal limits for most users. The intermediate level is sufficient. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. You may also be required to upload a copy of your government's ID. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Click on the Funding tab and choose your preferred deposit method. Options typically include bank transfers, debit cards, and other cryptocurrencies. Keep in mind that different methods may have varying fees and processing times. Select your method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit. With your account funded, navigate to the Trade section. Use the search bar to find the Dogecoin trading pair, usually Doge, USD or Doge UR, depending on the currency you deposited. This will bring you to the Dogecoin trading interface. In the order form, you'll see options for different order types, such as market and limit orders. A market order executes immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy Dogecoin. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to purchase or the amount of your deposited currency you want to spend. Review your order details carefully, paying close attention to the price, quantity, and estimated fees. Kraken charges a small fee for each trade, which is displayed before you confirm the order. If everything looks good, click the Buy button to execute your trade. Congratulations! You've just bought Dogecoin on Kraken. You can view your Dogecoin balance in the Balances section of your account. Remember to store your Dogecoin securely, either within your Kraken account or by transferring it to a personal cryptocurrency wallet. Now you're ready to ride the Doge. #Dogecoin tutorial #KRAKE in trading.